Hello class 6, welcome to the class. How are you all? I hope you all be well. So today we will read the second lesson in English whose name is How the Dog Found Himself a Master. And now we start our studies. So dogs were once their own master and lived the way wolves do in freedom until a dog was born who was pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. It means dog and wolf are closely related family, and there were times when dogs used to wander and live freely just like wolf without any restriction. One such a dog was born who was sick of finding for food himself and was unable to move in search of food. He would feel tired and was scared of healthier and stronger being. And the second point is he thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. It means after thinking repeatedly, he decided to work as a helper to someone who was the strongest or the most powerful on this earth, so he started searching for the stronger one. And the third point is he meet a kinsman of his, a big wolf, who was asked strong as he was fear. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see why not. The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. It means after a long walk and search, he meet one son of his relative. This relative was a wolf who was not only stronger but also had a frightening look. He asked the dog where he was looking for a master and if the wolf would like to be the one. The wolf agreed and the two went on together. And the fourth point is they walk and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What he frightened you so? Can't you see there is a big bear out there and he might eat up both of you and me. It means after walking a long distance, suddenly the wolf sniped, moved quickly and went deeper into the forest. He was detecting something and was trying to hide. The dog was unable to understand this behavior, so he asked his master what was affection him. Then the wolf told him that there was a bear who might eat them. And the fifth point is seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can eat out Phil. It means on realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind. He left the wolf and turned to the bear and asked him to be his master, and bear agreed to it easily. The suggested him to search for a herd of cows so that he could kill a cow to fill their stomach. And the sixth point is they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cow were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. It means after walking some distance, they noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise made by the cows. They were mooing aloud and were running here and there because of fear. एंड टू बी कंटिन्यू सेकेंड, इसके आगे का पार्ट हम लोग कल पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.